A normal healthy head of hair has approximately 100,000 hairs growing. Normal hair follows a continuously repeating cycle of growth, shedding, resting, and regrowth. Since all of these three phases are happening at the same time, three strands of hair in the same area of your head might each be in a different growth phase. At any given time, 85 to 90% of your hair is in the first of these phases, actively growing. The remaining 10 to 15% is transitioning or resting in the other two phases. If a follicle is destroyed for any reason, no new hair will grow from it.
Defense Theory Hair Growth Oil from the Man Company. 100% natural, concentrated, quick penetrating blend of natural oils that infuses the scalp and hair with intense moisture, antioxidants and nutrients for a healthier and fuller appearance.